Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix headphones not detected on your Realme 16 Pro 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is check your headphones. So this is very important to check your headphones and test them using another device and not our Realme. Because if they are not working on our Realme, we need to check if they are working on the second device. We can also do the same with the same pair of headphones. If the first one is not working in our phone, then we can try the second one and see if the second one works. Now, if you're using USB-C headphones, first we're gonna go over and clean the charging port. So you guys want to get rid of any dust, any debris that may be stuck inside of here, because dust can block the connection and we all know it by now. So we want to make sure that our charging port is clean, and then what we want to do is restart our phone. So to do that, we need to press the power button and the volume up button at the same time until you see this menu pop up. Now here we're gonna swipe up to restart the device. So now it's restarting and I'll get back to you once it's done. After the restart, what we're gonna do is we're gonna check the headphones again, but this time if we use an adapter of some kind like 3.5mm to USB-C, then make sure to check if the adapter is original or at least certified. And now what we're gonna do as a last resort here for the wired headphones and as a start to Bluetooth headphones is check for software updates. So this is very important for both wired and wireless headphones because it all just might be a system glitch and we want to get rid of them. So that's why we scroll a bit down, go to system and update, and here select software update right at the top. Now it's checking for updates automatically. All you need is Wi-Fi. And my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it because it's very important to get rid of any old glitches from an old software. Next, what we're gonna do is for the Bluetooth headphones now, we're gonna turn the Bluetooth off and on. So we're gonna go over to the settings. Now go to Bluetooth, and here my Bluetooth is already turned off, but I'll turn it on. Now let's turn it off and turn it on again. So this is how you guys can do that quick restart. Now if your headphones are already paired here, then what you guys want to do is simply forget them and repair them. So as you guys can see here, I have a paired device. Now we're gonna click here on the eye icon, and here we're gonna go over and click on pair. Now this is the way of forgetting. Here what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the case and we're gonna double tap it. So this is my way of doing it, and then as you guys can see, we should have our device pop up here. We just need to click refresh. Now we got it, we can pair it and click pair. Now as you guys can see, they are paired again and they are in use, so that definitely works. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna charge the headphones fully. Sometimes that's just the case because it's normal that our device is not connecting when it's not at 100%. I had the situation once where my headphones were at 60%, they wouldn't connect, but once I charged them up to 100%, they connected without any issues. So make sure to charge your headphones fully. Next, what you guys want to do as a last resort here is avoid using the same headphones with another device. So this is a so-called device interference. We don't want it because this way one of the two or more devices is interfering with our headphones, and it's a lottery which device will connect first. So make sure to avoid the device interference, or if you got the second device closer to you, make sure to turn off Bluetooth and use the headphones on our Realme. Now here we're gonna go over to the system and update and go to backup and reset. We won't be resetting the entire phone, so just click reset phone right here and go to reset network and Bluetooth settings. So this will delete, of course, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network, so it will forget all settings saved on the Wi-Fi and every single network saved. Also for the Bluetooth, it will forget every single paired device, and after you click reset, you will have to re-enter every single password. And after the reset, it will work if it's still not working for you. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.